Hello everyone and hello travelers! This is Aiza from Travel With Me Aiza, and today, samahan nyo kami ng family ko na kumain dito sa Bungalow Cafe and Bakery sa Molito, Alabang. Meron silang iba't ibang starters, salad, pasta and pizzas, sandwiches, and entree. Their normal price range is around 500 to 800 pesos per meal. Of course, they also offer different milkshakes, coffees, cocktails, and sodas too. Our first order was a salad which is called the peaches and prosciutto at 570 pesos. We also ordered the adlay and chicken bowl at 580 pesos. Between the two salads, sobrang sarap talaga ng peaches and prosciutto. Hindi nila tinipid yung prosciutto. For our appetizers, we ordered the potato and gravy, pero sa totoo lang, it's actually parang potato and cheese at 480 pesos. Next, kumain naman si ate ng grilled cheese sandwich. Ito yung para sa aking pinakamasarap, 480 pesos. Also, my brother and also si Gian ordered the burger, 550 pesos. Next, this was my order, the fish o filet at 540 pesos. Kaya 4 lang ang score ko kasi nakulangan ako sa lasa. Parang walang asin tapos sana merong tartar sauce. Next, ito naman yung kay ate ko, squid ink seafood pasta. Sobrang sarap nito, 680 pesos nakakabitin. For mommy naman, ito in-order niya adobo rice. Malaki siya so hindi siya naubos ni mommy. Masarap siya at 520 pesos. Sa pamangkin ko naman, umorder siya ng the salmon. It's 830 pesos. It was a 9 out of 10. Mukha lang siyang dry pero masarap. Now for dessert, we ordered 2 cakes. The first one is the Sans Rival at 350 pesos. Okay naman siya. It's not really the best Sans Rival pero masarap na rin. Lastly, we ordered the Parmesan Tres Leches. Ito talaga honestly yung pinaka-letdown. Sa totoo lang, para talaga siyang walang sugar, walang katamis-tamis. Tapos dahil nga Parmesan siya, maalat lang yung cake. Sayang kasi ito pa naman yung dapat na good ender sa meal. Also, we ordered the pistachio croissant. At least ito nakabawi. 10 out of 10. Masarap. Umorder din nga pala kami ng coffee. Ito yung picture ng latte ko. Masarap yung kape nila, 9 out of 10. All in all, kahit na merong mga ibang pagkain na hindi ganun kasarap, masasabi kong mas madaming masarap. So, I would still recommend it. So, ayun, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. See you next time!